Hello, today is February 8th, 2013. Blizzard 2013 is on the way. Salt trucks are out. It's only 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. I'm sorry, and it's already started to snow. And we'll take telecast throughout the day, so stay tuned. There's Libby in the window. Okay, it's about 12:30 and the snow is still coming down. It's light at this point. The forecast is to pick up this afternoon and this evening. Now they're saying 18 inches on the way. So stay tuned. We'll give you updates throughout the day. Alright, it is about 5 o'clock now. Snow's still coming down. We just finished shoveling the driveway and the walkway. Snow continues to fall. Probably had about 4 or 5 inches already. There's Kev. He helped shovel.
I'm done, Dad.
Okay, good boy. So, I'll show you the backyard. Blizzard 2013 coverage continues here. Backyard is covered with snow. It's getting there. Okay, we'll see you soon. Okay, it's about 9 o'clock at night, still snowing. You can see it's still coming down hard. We just finished shoveling once again. We're going to take Libby out for, Libby! Take her out for a nice walk. You can see it's dead silence on the road. So, DPW is doing an awesome job on our roads. I just picked up Brian at a friend's house. And before I drove down to the village, roads are awesome. Libby's going to play. You can see there's the house. Alright, we'll see you in a little while. Alright, here is the end result. We went to bed last night and a lot of work to do. Not looking forward to that. Probably about 12, 13 inches there. We'll get the measurement later. Alright.
Yep.
Alright, if you see the table, that's about as much snow, that's the snow we got. It's probably about, let's say, 12, 13, maybe 14 inches. So, we're about to do the back. The front is all done, I'll show you in a minute. And then, we're going to all go back to bed. Hey, this is the front, there's the pile. Everything's all cleared up. R5 is good. It's getting cold and windy. Thank goodness we finished. We did it early. It's only about 11 a.m., 11:30. And we've been out here since 9, 2.5 hours of cleanup.